see time and work. Now we see the examples. Here, A can do 1/4 of the work in 10 days. B can do 1/3 of the work in 20 days. In how many days can both A and B together do that work? Here, A can do here 1/4 of work in 10 days. Then total work means one work. Here 4 is divided, here comes multiple. Then total work 4 into 10, 40 days. Total work in 40 days. Same, B can do 1/3 of work in 20 days. Then B can do whole work in 16 days. 16 days. Here A complete whole work in 40 days, B complete whole work in 16 days. Now we solve this example. Here A, B complete work 10 days and 16 days. Here LCM of these two is 40 and 60. Here 40 and 60. LCM is 120. Now A plus B complete whole work. A plus B complete work in total work in 5 days. Then A plus B complete whole work in 120 divided by 5. That is 24 days. Then A and B complete whole work in 24 days. Whole work in 24 days. Now next. A can do 1/4 of work in 15 days. 1/8 of work in 15 days. B can do 1/6 of the work in 12 days. In how many days can both A and B do the work? How many days A and B do the work? Here A can do 1/4 of work. A can do 1/8 of work in 15 days. 1/8 of the work in 15 days. Then A complete whole work. A complete a whole work. (120 days). 120 days. Here 8 is divided here from multiple. Now here B can do 1/6 of the work in 12 days. One-sixth of the work in 12 days. Then B can do whole work (12 into 6), 72 days. 72 days. A complete whole work in 120 days. B complete whole work in 72 days. Now here A and B together do that work. Then in how many days complete this work? A complete whole work in 120 days. B complete whole work in 72 days. Now here we calculate LCM of these two. Now LCM of these two, we find the LCM of these two. Here 120 and 72. Now LCM of these two is 360. The LCM of these two is 360. Then 360 divided by 120 is 3, and 360 divided by 72 is 5. 72 is 5. Now here A plus B work together. A plus B work together. Then 1 day of work of A plus B is 8. A's 1 day's work is 3. B's 1 day's work is 5. Then A plus B together can do 8 works in 1 day. 8 works in 1 day. Then time required for 2A and B to complete whole work. To complete whole work is equal to 360 divided by 8. 360 divided by 8. 360 divided by 8. Now your answer is 45 days. In 45 days. In 45 days. A and B together complete this work in 45 days. Now next. Here A can do 1/2 work in 5 days. A can do 1/2 of work in 5 days. Then A complete whole work in A complete whole work in 10 days. A complete whole work in 10 days. Now here B can do 3/5 of same work in 9 days. Here B complete 3/5 of work in 9 days. Then B complete a whole work in 9 into 5 is divided here, multiple 3 is multiple here, divide 15 days. B complete a whole work in 15 days. Now here same C complete 2/3 of work in 8 days. In 8 days. 8 days. Now C complete whole work in C complete whole work in 8 into 3/2. 8 into 3/2. That is in 12 days. C complete whole work in 12 days. A complete whole work in 10 days. B complete whole work in 15 days and C complete in 12 days. Now A, B, C work together. Now they will finish the same working. Here A, B, C work together. Here A, B, C work together. complete a whole work in 10 days, 15 days and 12 days. 10 days, 15 days, 10 days, 15 days and see 12 days. 12 days. Now here LCM of these 3 is 16, 16, 1, 10, 6 are 16, 15, 4 are 16 and 12, 5 are 16. Now they are work together. They three are work together. Then they complete a work in 15. 1 day work of ABC is 15. Now here whole work is 60. ABC completed 15 work in 1 day. Then time required to complete whole work for AB. Time required for ABC. Time required for ABC to complete whole work. To complete whole work. To complete whole work is equal to 16 divided by 50. 16 divided by 50 is equal to 15 fours are 4 days. Now ABC complete a whole work in 4 days. Here ABC work together, then they complete a work in 4 days. Now next. See, the ratio of efficiency of ABC is ratio of efficiency. The ratio of efficiency. Efficiency म्हणजे ratio of work. Here ABC, A/to B/to C is 2/to 3/to 4. Then what will be the ratio of time taken to complete a whole work? Ratio of time taken. Then ratio of time taken. Here ratio of time. Then ratio of time is reciprocal of efficiency. Ratio of time is the reciprocal of efficiency. That is 1/2, 1/3 or 1/4. Now here we find the LCM of 2, 3, 4. We find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Now here 2 1 are 2, 3 here 2 2 are. Now here we then LCM of this is 12. LCM of these 3 is 12. Now here we write into 12 as to 1/3 into 12 as to 1/4 into 12. Now here we on multiplication 6, 4, 3. Now your ratio of time taken is 6/4/3. 6/4/3. Then here the ratio of efficiency is 2/3/4. Then time taken, ratio of time taken is 6/4/5. Or directly we find here, or directly we write here ratio of efficiency of ABC. Ratio of efficiency of ABC is 2/3/4. Now here we find the ratio of time taken by them to complete the work. Here we skip 2, then we get multiplication of B and C. B and C 3/4 is 12. Now here we skip B. Remaining is 2 and 4. We take multiplication of these two. 2 4s are 8. Now we skip C. Now take multiplication of these two. 2 3s are 6. Here 2 divided all by 2. 6/4/3. Then ratio of time taken by ABC to complete a same work is 6/4/3. Is 6/4/3. Now next. Here ratio of efficiency of ABC is 4:5:6. What will be the ratio of time taken by them to complete a work? Ratio of time taken by them to complete a work. Then ratio of efficiency. Ratio of efficiency of ABC, A as to B as to C, is 4:5:6. This is the ratio of efficiency. Here ratio of efficiency. Now we find the ratio of time taken by them to complete a same work. Then ratio of time is we skip this and write multiplication of these two here. 5 6 are 30. We skip this, write multiplication of these two. 6 4 are 24. We skip this and write multiplication of these two. 5 4 are 20. Now here we divided by 2. Here we divided by 2. Then 15 as to 12 as to 10. Then ratio of time taken by them to complete a same work or whole work is 15 as to 12 as to 10. 15 as to 12 as to 10. Or also we write here ratio of time taken by here reciprocal of efficiency. It becomes time. Reciprocal of efficiency is becomes time. Ratio of efficiency becomes time. Now here we multiple these all by LCM of 4 5 6. LCM of 4 5 6 is, now we find LCM 60. Now here we multiple by these all by 60. Then here write 15, here write 12, and here write 10. The ratio of time taken by ABC to complete a whole work is 15 as to 12 as to 10. 15 as to 12 as to 10. Now next. Here efficiency of A is twice that of B and half that of C. Then tell the ratio of time taken by all three to complete a whole work. Here efficiency of A is twice of B and half that of C. Here ABC. Then their efficiency. Ratio of efficiency of A is twice of B and half of C. A is twice of B, twice of B and half of C, half of C. Here A's efficiency is half of C, half of C. Then C is take 4. Then A's efficiency is 2. Here A's efficiency is half of C. Then C's efficiency is 4. A's efficiency is 2. And A's efficiency is twice of B. A's efficiency is twice of B. Here A's efficiency is 2. Then B's efficiency is 1. Twice of. Then A's efficiency is twice of B. And A's efficiency is half of C is 2. Now here we find the ratio of time taken by all three. We find ratio of time taken by all three to complete a whole work. And then we will find the ratio of time taken of all three to complete a whole work. Now here we write the cross multiplication. Time is equal to, here we here write the multiplication of these two. 1 4 the 4. We write here multiplication of these two. 2 4 the 8. And here we write multiplication of remaining. 2 1 the 2. Now here Then ratio of efficiency, ratio of time taken to complete a whole work for ABC is 2 to 4 to 1, 2 to 4 to 1, 2 to 4 to 1. Now your answer is 2 to 4 to 1. Here only we take efficiency. As efficiency is twice of B and half of C. Firstly we write here A's efficiency is half of C. Then C is 4, A is 2, and A's efficiency is twice of B. Twice of B. A's efficiency is twice of B. Then A is 2, B is 1. Now here we cross these two is time of A. We cross these two time of B. We cross these two time of C. Now here 2 to 4 to 1. Here efficiency of A is 20% more than that of B, while efficiency of C is 50% less than that of A. Then the ratio of time taken by to complete a work will be here same efficiency A, B and C. Efficiency of A is 20% more than that of B. Efficiency of A is 20% more than that of B. Then B's efficiency is 100, B's efficiency is 100, and A's efficiency is 120. A's efficiency is 120. 20% more than that of B. A's efficiency is 20% more than that of B. B is 100, A is 120. Now here, while the efficiency of C is 50% less than A, efficiency of C is 50% less than A. Here B's efficiency is 120, then 50% less than A, that is C's efficiency is 60. 50% less of A, that is 60. Now here we find the ratio. We find the ratio 6 to 5 to 3. This is the ratio of efficiency. Now ratio of time taken. Then ratio of time taken is, we take cross multiplication of these two. 5 3s are 15. Then remaining 6 3s are 18. Then 3 skip, 6 5s are 30. Here divided by 3 we get 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and 3 10s are 30. Then ratio of efficiency of A and B and C is 5 to 6 to 10. Ratio of efficiency of A, B, C is 5 6 to 10. Now next. Same, A can do 60% of work in 18 days, while B can 40% of work in 10 days. How many days both are together to complete the same work? A can complete 60% of work. %, means 60 divided by 100, that is 6 divided by 10, that is 3 divided by 5. Work in 18 days. Work in 18 days. While B can do 40% work. Now here 3/5 of work. 3/5 of work in 18 days. Then whole work is, here whole work is equal to 18 into 5 by 3. in 30 days. 18 into 5 by 3, that is 13 days. A complete a whole work in 13 days. Here B can do 40% of same work in 10 days. %, means 40 divided by 100, that is 2 by 5 of work in 10 days. Then whole work in B complete whole work in B complete whole work in 10 into 5 by 2. Here 5 is divided, here come multiple, 2 is divided. 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Then B complete whole work in 25 days, A complete whole work in 13 days. Now we find A complete a work in 30 days, B complete work in 25 days. A complete a work in 30 days, B complete 25 days. Now here LCM of these two is 150. Now here 3 5 are and 25 6 are. Here A plus B complete. Here A's work is 1 day's work is 5, B's 1 day's work is 6, A, B work together 1 day's work is 11. Then A plus B complete a whole work in 150 divided by 11 days. That 11 is 1. This 11 3 by 7 by 11 days. 13 7 by 11 days. Now here complete whole work. Here next. A can do 70% of work in 20 days. A can do 70%. 70% of work. 70 divided by 100 means 7 by 10 work in 28 days. 28 days means whole work in 28 into 10 divided by 7. 7 was 7, 7 4 is 10 in 40 days. A can complete whole work in 40 days, while B can do 30% of same work in 15 days. 30% means 30 divided by 100, that is 3 by 10 work. 3 by 10 work in 15 days. That is whole work in 15 into 10 by 3, that is 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Now here 50 days. A complete a whole work in 14 days, B complete a whole work in 15 days. A complete a whole work in 14 days, B complete a whole work in 15 days. Now we solve. A complete whole work in 14 days, B complete a whole work in 15 days. A 14, B 15. Now here we find the LCM of these two. These 200 divided by 4 is 5, 4. Now here A plus B work together here, A plus B work together here, and then complete a whole work in 9. One day work in 9. Then A plus B complete a whole work in, A plus B complete whole work in 200 divided by 9 days. 200 divided by 9 days. A plus B complete a whole work in 200 divided by 9 days.